What's up, everybody? Today we are going to talk about Pfizer. We're gonna find two things: fair value of Pfizer stock according to Warren Buffett, as mentioned in the book The Intelligent Investor, written by his mentor Benjamin Graham. We're gonna find the fair value of Pfizer, as well as the price that I would consider being a buyer of Pfizer long term. And we're starting. Take a look at the graph. The graph of Pfizer today. They posted, hey, we got some corona vaccine, tons of exciting stuff, and they jumped from 35, 36 bucks to over 40, where they trade now. And this is the chart. If we look at the chart, let's start with the top. This is the yellow is the 50-day moving average, and this is the daily chart. They traded below the 50-day moving average, pretty depressed, and all of a sudden today it broke the three tops. They broke three tops right in here, right in here, right in here, and they broke. So if they stay above level of 40.2, something like that, let's say 40 bucks just to make it nice, but 40.2 or point, this will make it a long-term hold. Look at all this stuff as well and see how that goes. But in here, this is the volume of today. Insane amount of volume, 160 million. Well, the average is about, in here, comes to about, I don't know, 35 million on a daily. That's pretty awesome. On the moving average 200 daily volume, pretty insane. As well as in here, the balance of power at 43. That just means there are buyers more than sellers, of course, but I would like to see this in general over the level of 100, over between 80 to 100, to make sure that this is indeed a long-term hold and not just hyped, which is, in my opinion, what it is today. But doesn't matter what I think, we will see the numbers and see if Pfizer is really worth $40 as of today and moving forward. Again, they made the vaccine success result. That doesn't mean that the vaccine is going live tomorrow, doesn't mean it's gonna sold tomorrow, and doesn't mean that they're gonna make money tomorrow. So all these things considered, I'm just looking at the facts and the number in front of me, and for that we're gonna go to the Excel and actually analyze the fair value of Pfizer according to Warren Buffett. So this is the formula that we have. We have a few constant numbers and we need to enter the other numbers in the Excel. We're gonna do that right now. So first, the company name, Pfizer, right here, that's all fine and good. Stock symbol, PFE, and the next thing that is on our list is to find the EPS, earning per share, in the last 12 months. And in order to find this number, EPS, earning per share, we're gonna go to Yahoo Finance and add that number. So this is Pfizer, up 11% today, and we are looking for EPS, earning per share. And we got this number right here. Earning per share TTM, trailing 12 months, comes to a number of 154. They also pay a nice dividend of 4.18%, and the ex-dividend date was a few days ago, so we missed that one, but that's, maybe next time, if we are going to be a long-term holder of Pfizer. So let's put 1.54 in the Excel, earning per share 154. Back in the Excel, EPS, I'm putting 1.54. Okay, let's put this in the middle. This is what we got, 154. The next thing on our list is the growth rate, 8.5. This is a constant. Benjamin Graham put it in the book as constant, meaning that Pfizer will not grow in the next 7 to 10 years, which is fine, just to make things more conservative. And I would like to stay conservative if I'm planning to buy and hold forever stocks. I need to know that I'm doing it at the right price. Let's move on to growth. In order to find the growth rate of Pfizer, going back to Yahoo Finance. So back in Yahoo Finance, I'm going to scroll all the tabs till I reach this one, analysis, and click analysis. Okay, I'll let it load a little, and from here I'm gonna scroll all the way down and I'm gonna find this one. Next 5 years per annual, next 5 years growth will be for Pfizer 3.7. Now again, this is as of today. No one knows if this vaccine will take Pfizer to the moon. No one knows. According to the markets, as of today, it will. But I don't look at the euphoria of the stock market today. I'm looking to invest for a stock that I will hold in my portfolio forever. And that's all I'm looking for. And for this, I just need hard data of numbers. So I'm putting the next 5 years trade. Next thing, another constant is 2 times the growth. That's another constant that doesn't change. Corporate bond 4.4 doesn't change as well. This is another constant. The next part in this formula is to find Pfizer corporate bond. We need to see how much Pfizer is paying for their bond investors. So we're gonna go to Google and search Pfizer corporate bond. Yeah. So while everyone loving Pfizer today, this is quite alarming to me. I see Pfizer coupon for the bond 7.2%, expire about 20 years around 2039. 7.2. This is like junk bond. Yeah, I just tell you what I see. Doesn't matter what the market says. Look at this, all this technical strong sell, strong sell, strong sell. So monthly is a strong buy. But I'm looking at this number and it's pretty scary. I don't know how much Pfizer is worth as fair value, but I'm gonna put 7.2. This is the highest that I've seen. So this goes into the before we find out the fair value of Pfizer as well as the price that will be a long-term holder. Let me talk a little bit about myself. My name is Ziv, also known as Finance After 40. While I am new to YouTube, I have about 15,000 plus community members following me on TikTok as well as Patreon, where you can join us, where we are selling options for income as well as doing some crypto plays. Starting membership for $10 a month or 2 cups of coffee. So feel free to read the description below and join us on Patreon. Let's go find out how much Pfizer is actually worth. And once I hit enter, I will find the fair value of Pfizer, and after that I will need to find the price that I will actually consider buying Pfizer. So we're gonna click enter. 7.2, and Pfizer technically should trade, look at this, $14.96, $15. Pfizer, let me repeat it, Pfizer today should trade at a fair value of $15 according to Warren Buffett and Benjamin Graham, mentor in the Intelligent Investor book. Feel free to read it. It's like, I don't know, 500 or 800 pages. Last time I've read it, and that was a pretty big book. $15, and keep in mind this is the aggressive formula. Aggressive. I could be conservative and go to about, I don't know, $10, but I'm not done yet. I need to find out the price that I will be actually consider buying. So I'm just, which is stupid, but let's say 14.96, and I'm giving myself a 33% cushion on that price that I will be a buyer. I will just multiply that and give myself a 33% discount. And unless Pfizer goes to $10, I'm not buying. And if you join this video, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment which stocks would you like me to do next. Thank you very much, guys, but I'm not a Pfizer buyer below $15. Thank you.